Yep. Hello, people. So this is the project. It is a BhumiChain. I know possible you guys might find it a little bit difficult to pronounce. So Bhumi, it means land property. So that it means property chain. So since I'm from India, I have created the best use case for the India. The all the hierarchy and all the systems are here. Also, basically, what I've researched that multiple projects have tried to replicate it, but they got stuck at the level in 1 and 2. It means like putting the property on chain only. But with this whole platform, I'm trying to bring the whole registration and the whole process, like the transfer, inheritance, and everything on it. These are the things. I've also integrated the Nyay AI. The Uttaradhikari is the inheritor. So we have tried to put in the engine in it. So this is the whole white paper. I will be putting the URL to it. We are going to use the Hyperledger as a core blockchain in this ecosystem. Aside from that, we are using DynamoDB, Amazon DynamoDB for storing the non-blockchain related data. We have deployed all the thing to the Vercel. So the white paper is pretty huge, self-explanatory, and yeah, hope you guys will uh, find it simple and like it. Next up, come here. So this is the whole dashboard. Just for the demo purpose, you can just come and single click. The OTP is always going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Uh, so this is my parcel. My basically what's the parcel means is my transaction, the dispute, since it is from India. Basically khasra is related to revenue officer. So yeah, total 5, verified as 1, and pending is 3, disputed is 1. Those are the details. This is my map overview. Let's say this is the person, one of the person's house you want to view. So that's the house, Ramesh Patel, and this is the whole overview. These are the type of lands we are trying to target, like forest land, government, irrigated, tribal, commercial, residential, sub tenancy, heredity. You can just change the uh, type of property or lands you want to check in it. So the parcel is that I think you got the idea. GIS map, it gives the whole overview. There's just some dummy data is over here. We are trying to just integrate it, like it is a huge project. Also having running all the things like on a sync back and everything is a big hectic. But we have tried to use Amazon DynamoDB and Versa to the full extent. This is the mutation. Sometimes what happens is that some frauds happens with you, or you can say by certain mistake your name is mistaken over it. So that's the thing. And the unique problem in India is that if you and your distinct cousin had in common grandfather, if you don't go to the court and don't segregate the properties. Let's say there are 14 properties. In all the 14 properties, the name of all 14 inheritor is going to be there now. So there you need to just have a way to segregate it, to mutate it. So that's this whole feature is all about. Then there is the property transfer, like you can simply just transfer the property. Here is the pre-filled demo, how everything is going to work, uh, like e-signs and everything. Then there's a stamp duty. This is the duty which goes to the government. Sidebar, we have the certain information. Next up, we have the succession. Like what you can do is that, let's say you are alive and you don't want your children to be to have certain kind of dispute. What you can do, you can just go and add all the children's in here, and just create a kind of will. As soon as they add your death certificate, or somehow the trigger happens, all the property will be transferred to or all the inheritor in it. There are certain special laws for the women's, let's say the daughters and the wives of a person. We are trying to just integrate it totally end to end. uh, there's this Nyay AI. It is, you can say, recommendation, or you can say uh, legal advisor for the person. He can come like, I'm going to convert it to the chatbot or that thing. Then there's the tribal guard for the tribal chain. Then Bhumi auction is that it is a dashboard where all the upcoming auctions and everything is going to happen. There's sometimes there are draws with which the government or authorities sell out the lands. That's the thing. Here you can get the analysis of all the things, tribal, what kind of land it is. And at last is that like government in India currently jangarna, it is the consensus of the people, like how many people, what's the division of those people are there. So they are going to record it in their web 2 based database. So I was just thinking that if they are happy to integrate that, since we are already going to put the land records of the web 3, I'm hoping to pitch some to some government official, or let's say the consensus always happens in multiple countries. So if any government is interested to bring that kind of record on chain, like I would be really happy to support there. Yeah, I'm putting all the other details like in the project submission. I hope you guys like it. Like white paper, it took me a lot of time to write the white paper, although I used AI. But still, hope you guys like my project. And yeah, thanks.